I detected negative energies in my home doing this. Why did not you tell me before? At home there may be bad energy, you realize that strange things begin to happen. Suddenly, fights begin between family members or even pets. All those unusual behaviors that had never happened in your home. Plants begin to get sick or die suddenly, and you see rare shadows that were not before. You can start feeling bad in a room at home, or you cannot stand being in another part of the home. But with this simple recipe, you can eliminate those bad energies and balance them in the best way. With the following practice, you can determine if there are bad energies and confirm it, eliminate them completely. Negative energies can invade your home for different reasons. Remember that we attract just what we try to get. The energies move about what you want, and they can invade your house without you realize when you have many negative energies surrounding you. Remember that the same envy produced by those who desire something of what you have are great cause of this problem, no doubt. Without further ado, I'll explain how I detected negative energies in my home. What do you need? 1. A smooth glass vessel without engraved drawings. 2. Water. Indications. 1. In the environment that you want to test the energies, you will put a glass with water at night, and the next day in the morning you will observe how it dawned. 2. If you see bubbles in the glass, it tells you that it absorbed negative energies from the environment. Otherwise, if there is no bubble, it tells you that there are no negative energies. 3. Then discard that water. I ask